Buying a second-hand Samsung phone can be exciting until the setup process suddenly stops at the Google verification screen. The phone asks for a Google account that was previously synced, but that account is unknown. In other cases, a forgotten PIN leads to a factory reset, and the device becomes locked by factory reset protection, also known as FRP. Even with proof of purchase, access can feel completely blocked. FRP is designed to protect Android devices from unauthorized access, but for legitimate owners, it often becomes a serious problem. The good news is that being locked out does not have to be permanent. This video explains what FRP is, why it happens, and how Samsung FRP can be bypassed safely and quickly using Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock. What is FRP? FRP, or Factory Reset Protection, is a built-in Android security feature. It automatically activates when a phone is reset without first removing the Google account. After the reset, the device requires the same Google account to complete setup. Common situations where FRP appears include buying a used phone that is still linked to the previous owner's Google account, forgetting the Google email or password after a factory reset, resetting a phone without removing the account first, receiving a second-hand phone as a gift. With newer Android versions like Android 16, FRP protection has become stronger, and many online tricks no longer work. Way 1. Bypass Samsung FRP. Using Dr.Fone, 2 to 3 minutes. Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock is a professional unlocking tool designed for legitimate users who need access to their own devices. It now supports Android 16 and Samsung Galaxy S25, making it one of the most up-to-date FRP solutions available. Dr.Fone highlights include: first tool to support FRP bypass on Android 16, supports over 30 Android brands, works with Samsung S24 and S25, no data loss on supported Samsung models, AI-powered smart unlock recommendations, beginner-friendly workflow with clear guidance. What you need: a Windows or Mac computer, a USB cable, Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock installed. Step-by-step overview. Here's how you can use Wondershare Dr.Fone to unlock your phone. Step 1. Download and install Dr.Fone. Go to the official Wondershare Dr.Fone website or click the link in the description. Download Dr.Fone Screen Unlock on a Windows or Mac computer, install it, and launch the software. Step 2. Open Screen Unlock. On the Dr.Fone home screen, select Screen Unlock from the available tools. Choose Android as the device type to continue. Step 3. Select Remove Google FRP Lock. From the next menu, select Remove Google FRP Lock. This option is specifically designed to bypass factory reset protection after a reset. Step 4. Choose Samsung as the device brand. Select Samsung from the list of Android brands. Dr.Fone will now prepare the correct unlocking path based on Samsung's security system. Step 5. Connect the locked phone. Connect the FRP-locked Samsung phone to the computer using a USB cable. Make sure the device is powered on and showing the Google verification screen. Step 6. Follow on-screen instructions. Dr.Fone will now display step-by-step instructions directly on the computer screen. Simply follow the prompts exactly as shown. Step 7. FRP lock removal. Once the instructions are completed, Dr.Fone starts removing the FRP lock. This process usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. After completion, the phone restarts automatically. Step 8. Set up the phone. Normally, when the device turns back on, the Google verification screen is gone. The phone can now be set up with a new Google account and used normally. Why Dr.Fone works better on Android 16. New Android versions patch many old FRP loopholes. Free APK methods are often unreliable, device-specific, or risky. Dr.Fone is continuously updated to match the latest Android security changes. The tool works across different chipsets, including Qualcomm Snapdragon, Samsung Exynos. As long as the phone runs Android 16, Dr.Fone provides a guided and stable unlock path. Way 2. Bypass Samsung FRP online, 1 to 10 minutes. For users who prefer an online solution, Wondershare also provides a Samsung FRP bypass service through its official unlock platform. How it works. Open the Wondershare online FRP unlock page. Select the Samsung model and system version. Follow the guided steps shown on screen now. This method supports all Samsung models and systems and usually completes within 1 to 10 minutes. Why choose Wondershare Dr.Fone? Dr.Fone Screen Unlock stands out because it is built for modern Android versions, not outdated systems. It is fast, safe, and designed for everyday users, not technicians. Key advantages: unlock in minutes, no complicated hardware tools, clear on-screen guidance. AMP compatible with the latest Samsung flagships, trusted by millions of users worldwide. Being locked out of a Samsung phone can feel frustrating, especially when the device is legally owned. With Android 16 making FRP harder to bypass, choosing the right tool matters more than ever. Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock offers a practical and modern solution for Samsung FRP bypass, including support for Galaxy S25 and Android 16. To try Dr.Fone, click the link in the description or search Dr.Fone on Google and regain access to your phone today.